Chinese electromagnetic torpedo technology, disrupting traditional naval warfare with their deep-sea dark arrow. China has made significant breakthroughs in the field of cutting-edge underwater weapons. The new generation of electromagnetic torpedo technology has completed practical testing. It integrates supercavitating drag reduction and electromagnetic propulsion principles, with a speed of over 200 knots, about 370 km per hour, and intelligent guidance capabilities, becoming a deep-sea killer that subverts modern anti-ship combat rules. Traditional torpedoes are limited by fluid resistance and generally have a speed below 60 knots. Chinese electromagnetic torpedoes use supercavitating technology to generate a gas film coating on the surface of the projectile, reducing water resistance by over 90%. At the same time, an electromagnetic pulse propulsion system is adopted to excite seawater ions with high-frequency electromagnetic fields to generate continuous thrust, breaking through the physical limits of traditional propellers or rocket engines. This dual technology overlay mode increases the torpedo's speed to over 200 knots, far exceeding the Russian Storm torpedo, about 200 knots, and the American Mk48, 55 knots, and the navigation noise is lower than the ocean background sound, almost invisible. The torpedo is equipped with a multimode composite guidance system that can combine data from satellites, unmanned underwater vehicles, and sonar arrays to achieve cross-medium tracking. Even if the target ship urgently changes direction or releases interference, the trajectory can still be predicted through artificial intelligence. Its unique design also supports water-air amphibious attacks. It can leap out of the water surface in the final stage and penetrate the ship's near-defense system with ultra-low altitude trajectory. Experimental data shows that its hit rate on aircraft carriers is 70% higher than traditional torpedoes, and its single-shot destructive power can penetrate the double-layer hull protection. The installation of electromagnetic torpedoes enables the Chinese Navy to have the capability of asymmetric anti-access. 1039C submarine can carry 6 torpedoes of this type, and a single salvo can cover a fan-shaped area with a radius of 100 kilometers, forcing the enemy carrier battle group to retreat beyond the range of anti-ship missiles. In addition, its low-cost feature, with a single cost of about 1/5 that of an anti-missile interceptor, supports the saturation attack tactic, greatly improving the effectiveness of area denial. Western think tanks evaluate that China's electromagnetic torpedo technology has surpassed that of the United States by a generation, forcing NATO to accelerate the development of similar weapons. As the situation in the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait escalates, this technology may become a key bargaining chip to contain external intervention. Next, China is exploring the cluster combat mode of electromagnetic torpedoes and unmanned underwater vehicles, with the goal of building an intelligent deep-sea wolf pack to further consolidate its advantages in coastal defense and ocean gaming.